Hi, I am Jeremae G. Varona and I will present to you our action research titled Effectiveness of Self-Directed Learning Through Learner's Pocket and Teacher-Made Video Lesson in the New Normal for Math 2B Geometry for Grade 8 students of Cavite Science Integrated School, School Year 2021 to 2022. And this action research was done together with my co-teachers, Ma'am Jenette E. Saburao and Ma'am Benilda V. Orsal. Self-directed learning is the learning that individuals carry out on their own. The Basic Education Learning Continuity Plan was developed by the DepEd during the pandemic. In accordance with this, the Cavite Science Integrated School used blended learning modality. With the limited learning materials available for the students, the school provided self-made module and video lessons, activities, and the like. And as one of the regional science high schools in the Philippines, our school has adopted the enhanced K-12 curriculum, and the English, Science, and Mathematics curricula has been enhanced by the additional subjects and electives listed in DepEd Order No. 49, Series of 2003. And Math 2B Geometry is offered as one of the additional subjects for which even module or reference books are not available for students. The BELCP was published May 2020, created the list of learning delivery modalities schools can adopt, and our school chose to have the blended learning modality. In addition, it was stated in DepEd Order No. 49 Series of 2003 that regional science high schools must add elective subjects in its curriculum, and one of it is geometry. However, students lack access to any modules or reference materials. In order to do this, the researcher in the math department adhered to the usage of a self-directed technique with the use of a teacher-made video lesson and learner's pocket or LEAP. For the methodology, the first thing that we did was the creation of the teacher-made LEAP and video lesson. Pre-test and post-test with 10 items each and supplementary activities included in the LEAP under the topic circles were developed next. These tests, the LEAP, and the video lesson were submitted and checked by the master teacher and head teacher in math for validation. Orientation and distribution of the human-informed consent form of the target respondents, specifically the grade 8 students, were done. Next, the pretest was administered to students before the lesson proper. Then the students read the LEAP and watched the video lesson. Afterwards, post-test was administered to the learners. Lastly, the data were collected and analyzed. These are the findings of our action research. The mean and standard deviation of the pretest were 6.39 and 2.19 respectively, while after the utilization of LEAP and teacher-made video lesson were 8.32 and 1.81 respectively. And it was found out that the increase between the mean of the pretest and post-test was 30.09%. The z-test showed that there is a significant difference between the pretest and post-test scores of the students as evidenced by a p-value of 5.55 raised to negative 15 at alpha level of 0.05. As for the implications, LEAP and teacher-made video can really increase the academic performance of the students in geometry. As video-based learning is continuing to be a part of the educational scene, institutions will need to continue to empower students with digital and critical literacy to prepare the learners for self-directed learning in the digital era. For the conclusions, technology readiness has a stronger positive influence on teaching presence in blended learning and in self-directed learning. The results may be beneficial both to the students and the teacher, but in the end, the focus is more on how to maximize learners' engagement. These are the recommendations. First, ready-made video lesson available in school portal, district, or division. More training in making teacher-made video lesson and LEAP. Continuous use of the material for the next school year, whether it will be blended or full face-to-face learning. These are the references that we used in our study. Thank you and God bless.